So here we have a Pioneer DEH X7800DAB. Occasionally we get customers saying that it's displaying DAB antenna error on the display. It's quite an easy fix. There's options to have power going to the antenna or not. If it's turned on and just set up by default, then that will send power to the antenna, which in most cases probably isn't suitable. So here's how to change it. It's not currently on, so we'll put it into standby. So we press and hold down the SRC button for a second. So it's in standby, and then we're going to press and hold it down for about 3 to 4 seconds, where it'll display the menu, and it's also going to display the initial menu. So here we're going to click it in. We're going to rotate till we get to DAB antenna power, which is on, and we want it off. So we're going to select off, press source again, and that should sort it out. Sometimes you may need to take the power off the unit, back on again to reset it. But before you do that, you can save the settings by taking the front panel off and back on again. This mimics the ignition being turned off and on, which will then save the settings to the non-volatile memory.